Is it recording? Lean back. Yeah.
Bloody hell, man.
What?
There's the old town.
Yeah. Our apartment is about there. You know what, man? At least with landing this way, I mean, we can have a nice go at the old terminal.
Mediterranean. Wow, you can feel the heat in our soul. People getting real Benidorm over that side. Probably won't be Benidorm. One of those in this. Down that way, sort of talking. Torre Vieja. Hardly used it. Terminator. As if we're here already. Yeah. That was great to get a view of Benidorm. Benidorm! Get out of the way!
Oh yeah? You haven't seen the tattoos? You always didn't see a comedian and left them out with a book. You haven't got tattoos? They didn't just look at it. Because one of the lads was not going to get my kids on. I'm going to go to the influence with that. The lad next to me was thinking about it. But he realised not to. He's coming to he's scratched.
Ignored again.
When I went to North Nest, I can't remember his name now. Only young guy.
It must take some skill on the pilot to land this.
You score like on a Friday, didn't you? Like
Gibraltar. Well, it just, you need to know how to fly it, don't you? Gibraltar's over there. Gibraltar's over there. It won't be visible. What's that island? I don't actually.
What is that? Like right down there, like that. The flood was out. Oh, no, I said, hear that. I said, what, like 5 years? What? What are you
Coming into land. Now, do you want it to like, we're going to get one of those sailors down?
Yeah, like, you always reckon this family
You've got to move your arm.
like a Scotch flag, but it was like a really shitty draw one. It had the Scotch flag.
Put your arm over the
like,
line.
oh,
And here we go.
Scotsman, like a Scotch flag.
Way! We've landed.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're sure you can't wait to enjoy your holiday, but for now, you must stay seated and buckled up.
You're not allowed to smoke or vape on the way to the terminal or in the terminal itself. And before you go, please make sure you've got everything with you, and take care when you open the overhead lockers, as some things may have moved during the flight.
Our friendly team would be happy to help you in the terminal. You can't miss them. They're wearing our famous red uniform, and of course, a big welcoming smile.
Thanks for flying with us today, and from all of us, have a lovely holiday.
Wind is warm, feel how warm it is. Welcome to Alicante.
Change the locks on when did that Jasper where was my